Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. It is day 18 of Vlogtober and it is dark, so excuse the lighting. We are leaving my parents' house. We got some pictures done today. We needed some updated family pictures, so my dad took our pictures. And also because my son is doing virtual school, he didn't get a chance to take school photos, so we got a couple pictures done as well. And right now we're gonna run a couple of errands, so we're just gonna be getting some stuff for some upcoming videos. I have some fun stuff planned for you guys, so let's get into the video. Trying to get shots. This is what it's like trying to get pictures of toddlers. We are getting some updated pics of the kids. This is what it's like. That's my daughter. No, Daddy. Okay, this is what it's like getting pics of toddlers. Malachi. Now she is trying to get in his pictures. Gabby.
If she's not that cool.
Let's try to get Gabby. Okay, you got your baby?
Yes.
Okay, sit down. Should she cross her legs?
It don't matter.
Okay, now you gonna look at mommy and papa, okay? Look at my baby girl. So pretty. Here is my baby boy. Okay, so we just left Walmart and I'm gonna show you the clothing items that I got. So the first thing I picked up was this white denim jacket, and I bought it oversized because I plan on distressing it. And this is a 2X, and that one was on sale. I think it was like $4 or something along that. I don't know why it was on sale, but it was. All the other jackets were still full price. And then I just picked up a couple of tees. First one I got was this lime green tee, just a v-neck tee, and olive green, not lime green. This is actually olive green. And I just got that in a large, and this was $2. And I got another top, and this is like a plum color. And I bought this one in oversized in a 2X because that was the only one I had. It was only $2. So next thing I got was this, I think it's a sleep shirt. I'm not sure. It says sleepwear, but I would wear it out. And this is just an oversized, let me back you guys up. And this one is just an oversized like sweatshirt, v-neck. I got this one in a size 2X, and this one was also $2, and it just says property of Joe Cool. Little Peanuts one. Next one I got was, this one's for sure a sleep shirt, and it says extra small, but it is really oversized. Like, I don't know who extra small that is, but the oversized extra small is actually my size. And this one was $2 as well. And next thing, dropping hangers, sorry. Next thing I got was this Wonder Woman. And I think this says sleepwear too. Actually, no, it doesn't. This isn't. Oh, it is sleepwear. But again, it doesn't look like sleepwear. So I might wear it out with some leggings just on a chill day, run to Walmart or something like that. But this one oversized too, and this one is 2X. Now, I picked up a couple things for the kids as well. They didn't have much for my son. Oh, actually, let's do this. This is, I've been wanting to try the jeggings that they have. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. The pants that I have on right now is actually jeans, and I love them. But these are the Jagans, and I will try these on after. But these are the Jagans, and I got them in a size extra large. It says it's a 15 and 17. I hope it's gonna fit because they are pretty stretchy. So we'll see. And yeah, it's pretty cute. They were only $12.88. It says it's for curvy girls, so we gonna see. And okay, so now let's get to the kids stuff. I didn't get a lot of stuff because the Walmart that we went to was on my parents' side of town, and they didn't have as much as we normally do. So I ended up only getting these pants for my son. And it is just the Garanimals brand in the size 5T. Those was only $4.50. And for my daughter, I picked up, they already started putting out like, I feel like this is like Christmassy, but whatever. It's really cute. And the new leggings they have like fleece, which I thought was pretty cool because normally the leggings don't have fleece. And it was only $4.50. I got it in a 3T. And then the next thing I got was a little sweatshirt. And the sweatshirt doesn't have the fleece, so it's pretty thin, so she's gonna have to layer this one. But isn't that so cute? Such a cute outfit. And the top was only $4.50 as well. So I have a couple makeup tutorials for Halloween, so I picked up some makeup to do my looks. Sorry with the bag. First thing I got was just this is actually gonna give y'all a hint as to what I'm doing next, but this is just the e.l.f. brand liquid eyeliner in color Ocean Eyes. Is this really pretty sparkly blue. I'll take it out for you guys. Or maybe I'll take it out. I'm struggling here. Okay. So that's the color. It's really pretty. I want to say this was $2, I think. Not sure. And then if you watch my tutorial from yesterday, you'll see that I lost the little, what are these called? Like the puffs for my Fenty setting powder. So I bought just a generic Equate one. It comes with 2 puffs for $2, which is really good. Next thing I got, again with the makeup looks, I just got this neon palette, and it says Profusion Cosmetics. It was like a cheaper brand. I never heard of it before, but it was I think it was $5, and it has pinks, reds, blue, green, pretty much has everything. So I'll be using this in my next look. And I just got another makeup brush, just an eyeshadow brush, some red Wet n Wild lipstick. This is, it says Wet n Wild multi-stick, and it's just in a blue color, and I think it said you can use it for lips, eyes, and face, I believe. I don't know, but yeah, for my next makeup look. And the next thing that I got was just some fillers for the kids' spooky baskets. I got this glow bracelet, and I have 2 kids if you didn't know, so 1 for each of them. Then I got these little glow buttons, and I got 1 in a unicorn for my daughter, obviously, and then 1 in a skull or a skeleton for my son. And those were 98 cents each. And then I got these cute glow eye masks, and I got 1 unicorn for my daughter and 1 mask right here that looks like Catboy. We're gonna call it Catboy. So, okay, so I totally forgot to show you guys this, but it's starting to get cool here. So I got the kids some new gloves. They were $127, I believe. Yeah, $127 a piece. And the last thing I got for the kids spooky baskets are these cute little cups. So 1 for my son, 1 for my daughter. So cute. So I'm just gonna wrap up the video right there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You should send me some video ideas, put in the comments down below. Send me some makeup looks you want me to try. It can be Disney princesses, whatever. I'll do it for Halloween. We could do a little tutorial, spooktorial, whatever you want to call it. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe.